Hello, in this video we will see how we can use Notepad++ without actually installing it. So this video is basically for people who are using laptop or machines on which they don't have admin access. Because to install Notepad++ you should have admin access. If you don't have, you will get this kind of warning. First of all, you can notice here when you will see the Notepad++ icon, right? So this kind of shield will be there, right? So if you see this shield means you can run this file only if you have admin rights. If you don't have admin rights and you try to run a .exe file or any file that is having this kind of shield on that, then you will get this kind of error. It will ask you to provide admin username and password. So let's see what we can do when we don't have admin access in our machine. You need to search Notepad++ and you need to open the official website of Notepad++, that is notepad++.org, and go to the download option that is available here on the left hand side. Once you click on download, you will see all the available options that you can download. So let's select the first one because this is the latest one available. So I will click on that. So once you are at this download page, here you will see some options here. So there are basically four options. First one is installer. If you click on this option, right, this will download a .exe file. But if you go with the second option that says portable, if you download this one, this will download a zip file for you. And you can just extract that zip file and start using Notepad++. Let me show you how. So you can click on the portable zip option here and the download will start on your machine. Then you can go back to your downloads folder once download is completed and you will notice there will be one zip file downloaded for you. Okay, so you can just directly right click on this and say extract all and click on the extract button. It will take few seconds and the extraction process will complete. Okay, now the files are extracted. So you can see here there is one file notepad++.exe. When you run this file, right, you can notice first of all it is not having that blue and yellow color shield because this is not an installer. This is the application that we can directly run. If you go back to downloads folder, right, I have downloaded the installer also. If you see, right, on the installer we will see this kind of shield here, blue and yellow shield. But if you go to this folder and see this file, right, this is also a .exe file, but to run this file you don't need the admin access. You can just directly click on this and Notepad++ will be open for you. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. In this video we have seen how we can use Notepad++ without actually installing it.